Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. I just got done doing this makeup look and I wanted to do a chatty get ready with me for you guys because I decided to take off work today because of the snow, and I am trying out this beauty for the first time. It's the YouTube classic, the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia, and these colors are gorgeous. This was my first time using it and I decided to focus on the pinky and berry tones, and I love how this look turned out. I decided to pop some glitter on, throw on a pink lip, and I think it turned out really pretty. If you want to see how I got this look and get ready with me, please keep watching. I already primed my eyes with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and set my eyelid with a Colourpop Matte Cream shade. I'm going to apply cream shadow on top, but I'm actually going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette for the first time, and you guys might have seen on my Instagram post, but I did have this on my giveaway pile, but it's on my wish list for a while, and when I bought this, I was originally going to buy it for myself, then I put it in the pile, and then I decided to take it out. So I'm being a little bit selfish here, but I still have some really awesome products for future giveaways. But this is for me, and I'm really excited to test it out. So here are what the colors look like. You guys have seen this all over YouTube. It is completely untouched. I have not used it yet. So pretty. And then I know my friend Shar, who's actually one of my best friends in real life, she wanted me to use the pink shade, so that's what I'm going to go for today. I'll probably talk mostly about the Modern Renaissance palette, and that's probably the most you'll hear about a certain makeup product in this video, because my Get Ready With Me is I don't always talk about the makeup in detail. For my cream shadow today, I'm going to be using my Ulta Smokey Quartz, which is in one of my project pans, and I would normally use the white shimmery base from NYX, but that one creases really bad with my Anastasia single in pink champagne, and I want to give the Modern Renaissance the best chance possible, so I'm just going to apply this on my lid. My lips are feeling a little bit dry, and I'm going to apply some lip balm. I did get this one sent to me from Octoly. I was sent the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter, and I love the size of this, and the packaging is super cute. So it is a very large lip balm, and with someone with small lips, it does feel a little bit big on the lips. So here's what the product looks like. It does feel very comfortable on the lips. I do have to reapply this one a few times a day because sometimes my lips, I don't know if they're just feeling really dry right now and I just need all the lip balm ever. But I do have to reapply this a couple times a day, so I just wanted to note the ingredients in here. Like, they're pretty natural products, so it has extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, beeswax. It has beeswax in it, so it's actually not vegan, I believe, but it is cruelty-free, which makes me so happy, and I really appreciate this lip balm, so thank you, Octoly, for sending it to me. I have been enjoying it so far. So now on to the fun part. I'm going to be using a transition shade first, and normally I start off with my lid color, so I think I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to use Burnt Orange, which is this light orangey color right here, and I might mix it with the other colors. And I'm going to blow this in my crease with my Morphe 433 brush. I actually didn't love this one for a while, but I've been enjoying it a lot lately. It does have some powder kick up, but honestly, that's fine with me. I really don't mind fallout. Oh, it's so soft. I love Anastasia eyeshadows. They are such a nice formula, and I've heard such great things about this palette. I think I'm going to attempt to do a halo eye today, so I think I'm going to be using a Venetian Red on my inner and outer corner. This is one of the berry tones with a more satin finish, and I'm going to start out with it on this e.l.f. crease brush, which I don't use in my crease, I use it in my outer corner. I'm going to start out packing it on my outer corner. Going into the inner corner. I'm really hoping this turns out right. I did a halo eye the other day and I did have a video for it, so I'll link that up in the cards. I really like the way it turned out, and I'm going to drag it slightly right there. I'm going to be filming a bunch of videos today, so I do want to have a more dramatic look because I love having more dramatic looks for my YouTube videos. So for my lid, the center part, I'm going to be using my Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten Karma. I just took the stopper out of this. I forget who mentioned to tell me to do that because I get more uses out of it. Anyway, I did take the stopper out of it, and some of the product does feel very dry in here, but I'm excited to get the little last uses out of here, and I do want to try out the little set that they have at Sephora. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It does feel a little dry. I might need to go with my fingers or get a Q-tip to get more of the product out. Trying with the finger now. That is beautiful. So here's what the glitter looks like on top of it, and I think it's super pretty. That actually might be the last time I used my Stila Glitter and Glow because a lot of it was kind of chunky. I'm adding a little bit more of that Venetian Red to both the center, inner corner, kind of at the top a little bit, just to make it as pigmented as possible. I tap my brush into burnt orange just to kind of blow out the edges a little bit. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with Tempera right here. That helps with the blending a little bit. I'm actually going to go into a Love Letter right here, which is the other berry tone, and just tap it very, very lightly and go into my crease just a little bit just to intensify the pink again. So here's what the eyeshadow looks like so far. I know I have glitter all over my face and I still have to do my lower lash line, but I'm going to tighten my eyes, and I did get this product sent to me from Octoly as well. This is the Pure On Point eyeliner in Down to Earth, and this is a brown eyeliner. And it actually sharpens itself. I don't know if you can see right there, but it does say sharpen, and you can twist off the cap right here and just pull it off, and you will always have a nice pointed eyeliner. And here is a little swatch of it. It is a very, very creamy brown eyeliner. I believe they have like 5 or 6 different shades, and they're mostly neutral colors. It does retail for $19, which I think is very expensive for an eyeliner. So personally, I will not repurchase this, but I do think it's really cool, like the mechanism where you just kind of sharpen it inside the cap. So if you're squeamish when it comes to people applying eyeliner, I would look away because I will be going on my upper waterline and it might look a little bit gross. To save some time, I'm going to be doing my brows, mascara, and winged liner off camera, and I'll be right back. So my brows, mascara, and winged eyeliner is done, and I'm pretty happy with my wings today. I think I like this one better, though. So now to move on to the face, I did put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to be using the last of my Found Beauty Smoothing Primer. I actually really liked this primer. It was more like a gel consistency, and there's only one little use up in here, and I did cut it open to get everything out. I do feel like this provides a little bit of hydration. So anyway, on to more like fun topics. And apparently a lot of you guys like my chatty get ready with me's, so I'll definitely film them more. So today is actually my brother's 21st birthday, and the reason I'm filming this today on like a Wednesday, it's March 7th, which is his birthday. But I took off today because we're getting a really big snowstorm in Pennsylvania, and it's kind of sporadic like where people are getting all the snow. I think we have like maybe, I don't know, like 7 inches already. Like, it's coming down, so I decided to play it safe today and just not drive to work today because I kind of drive a little bit far. For my foundations today, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Flawless Finish and my Hard Candy Glamouflage. I'm going to dot this on my face off camera, and then I'll blend it in on camera. It is my brother's 21st birthday today, and we're going to go to Philly this weekend because it's on a Wednesday. You can't. He can go to the bar if he really wants to, but it's snowing and I think he just doesn't feel like going, which is fine. But we're gonna go to Philly this weekend and go to this place called R2L, which is like a fancy kind of drinks place. I think it is a restaurant too, but we're just going for drinks, and I think we're just gonna hang in the city for the day, which is going to be a lot of fun. Also, I wanted to thank you guys for all your support on my videos, especially my peacock look, which does have a giveaway in it, so if you're interested, please enter and check out the rules for that. But I talked about a serious topic in that video, and everyone was so nice about it. I just wanted to say thank you for you guys always supporting me and always being so kind to me. You guys are just super nice, and your comments made me smile. So from the giveaway entry, I asked you guys to do either ask me a question for Project Pan Q&A or give me video ideas, and I got so many awesome questions and video ideas, so I'm excited to incorporate those on my channel. And I will probably do multiple Project Pan Q&As, and I think I might split it up into a Q&A and then like a tips video, because I do have a lot of tips, especially one of my favorite tips for painting powders. I want to include that in a video. I'm really enjoying spraying my Mario spray on my face after I do foundation but before powder, just to give myself a little more hydration, so I'm going to do that quick. I'm going to be setting my skin with the Too Faced Born This Way powder and my beauty sponge. So thank you, Paige, for the tip. Paige Thrifty Beauty. She used that one of her Get Ready With Me's, this tip, and I love it, and I've been doing it a lot lately. I got this little mini palette from Tarte. This is the Hamptons Weekender Contour Palette, and this is beautiful. here what the colors look like. It has a blush, bronzer, and highlighter, and I think I'm mostly just going to use the blush and bronzer today. The bronzer is a little bit dark, so I like to contour with it, and then I do like to go over with my butter bronzer, which I probably will do that today. You need the tiniest amount, and I do tap it on my hand. I'm just going to contour my cheeks a little bit. I'm also going to take my butter bronzer a little bit just to blend out the edges a little bit. It does blend very nicely, the Tarte powder does, but I just like to give a little bit more bronze to the skin. I'm going to tap really lightly into this blush Summer House from Tarte, and I'm also going to tap that on the back of my hand because this is a little bit dark for me, but it does blend very beautifully, and it lasts so long on the cheeks. So another fun thing that's happening is that I am hosting a little meetup in the King of Prussia Mall on March 24th for people in the Philly, like Pennsylvania, Jersey, and Delaware area. I think there's maybe like 10 people going, or at least they said they would go, and I'm super excited to meet everyone. There's people who I've been wanting to meet forever, like Lisa. Lisa and I have been friends for a few years now, and I'm so excited to meet her, and I'm excited to meet everyone, but I've collabed with Lisa a bunch of times, and she's definitely someone I'm really excited to meet. I think I'm going to use the Tarte highlighter too. This is a little bit dark on my skin, but if you blend it out, it's fine. This is in the shade Beach Getaway. Oh, this highlighter is so pretty. I forgot about it. I've been trying to use my highlighters that I'm panning right now, and I haven't used this one in a week or so. This is so pretty. Do you see that glow right there? It's kind of subtle, but I think it goes with my skin really well. As pretty as that Tarte highlight is, I do want to go in with something a little bit brighter. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Shimmer highlighting powder, and I love this highlight for like a really like blingy highlighter. So I think the skin is good. I'm going to start with my lower lash line now, and I'm going to be using Venetian Red on the inner and outer corner, kind of to repeat my halo up top. I think I want some more glitter, so I'm actually going to apply this Urban Decay glitter in Midnight Cowboy on the center. So that wasn't my finest glitter placement ever, but I think it's fun. It's a little bit messy, but I love glitter so much. I feel like LS right now just kind of shoving glitter everywhere, and she does it in the prettiest way ever. So for my inner corner today, I'm going to go in with Vermeer, which is this beautiful pinky champagne shade right here. Very excited about this. I know their shimmers are beautiful. And I think I'm going to go on my brow bone as well. Just going to pop that on my inner corner. Well, that's pretty. I think I want something a little bit more intense though. I'm going to pop this on my brow bone too. Gives a nice subtle shimmer there. I'm going to pop Primavera on top to see if that intensifies the shimmer a little bit, because it does look a little bit more shimmery, and I think the gold and like the pinky shade would look really nice together. I just applied a little bit of lower lash mascara, and I love how these eyes turned out. I think they're super pretty. Now the last thing to do is lips. So for my lip liner, I'm going to be using my Colourpop Brink. It is so tiny right now. I'm probably going to have to sharpen it after this video, but it is a warm tone nude color. Colourpop lip liners already apply super creamy, but that lip balm made that apply like butter, and I feel like the pigment's really nice. I kind of want to get a color like this, like an orangey nude color. For my lipstick today, I'm going to be using my MAC Brave. So here's the final look. So here is the look. I love how it turned out. The Modern Renaissance eyeshadows blended so well. I'll definitely keep on using this, and I'm so happy that I decided to keep it. I love how the eyes turned out. I think the glitter on top of it is super pretty. I definitely want to test out the palette a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please enter my giveaway if you're interested, and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.